Good morning. Thank you for coming to this presentation and honor to meet you here. Before starting our presentation today, let me introduce myself. I am Dewi Kurnia. I am from Inlau Dewi Kudus. I am from the Economy Facultas Management Study Program and on this occasion I explain the tradition in the Holy City regarding the tradition in Sunan Kudus. For the Kudus community, Sunan Kudus is a highly respected and valued figure who has succeeded in bringing the Kudus community to the path of truth and the eye of enlightenment. Sunan Kudus succeeded in the shaping the life pattern of the Kudus community, which was religious, sharing, and respectful. Sunan Kudus, together with Kiai Haji Tali Singh as the ancestor or elect that the Kudus community were the founding father of the city of Kudus. The Kudus community highly respects Sunan Kudus. Every day night, the Kudus people take a pilgrimage to the tomb of Sunan Kudus, and every year the Kudus community also holds Sunan Kudus opening as a form of love and respect for Sunan Kudus. Then the question arises why the Kudus community had to call Sunan Kudus. To answer this question, the researcher obtained direct information from Mr. Haji Nuriza, the key teacher of the Sunan Kudus tomb. Open Lower was held in the order to commemorate the Hall of Sunan Kudus, where the exact date of the death of Sunan Kudus was not known, so based on the agreement of the solar Buka Luhur was the hell, and the 10th of Suro was chosen to carry it out. Howl is ceremony to commemorate the death of the solar or figure who contribute. Open Lower is another name for Howl Sunan Kudus because it is worried that if it is called Howl Sunan Kudus, the Kudus community will assume that the 10th Suro is the death of the dead Sunan Kudus. Interview with Mr. Open Lower Sunan Kudus is a form traditional ceremony to contract an ancestor carried out by people who are still alive to their ancestor, namely Sunan Kudus. Sunan Kudus were a person who will still alive by doing pilgrimage and opening lower. The process, pro, procession of Buka Luar Sunan Kudus is a very long series of events. Dr. Anjas Najib Hasan Chairman of the Sunan Kudus Mosque and Tomb Foundation said the open Luar tradition will last for 10 days, from 1 surah to 10 surah. Why 10 days? A series of tradition will violate with the removal of the tomb's Luar Mosque net and continue with other tradition including Bayar Rasul and Srakda, slaughtering Sotako animal, distribution of Asura, Boraiku, as well as the installation of Luar Tomb. Interview with Mr. Haji Najib Hasan, Chairman of the Foundation for the Mosque, Tower and Tomb of Sunan Kudus, Thursday, 1 March 2007 in Ex Buka Luar. Even the searchers find several interesting and unusual things for the region. The following region waiting are person. Okay, number 1. Raising the heritage of the Sunan Kudus. Researchers can take a conclusion that discouraged Toko or Toko has a very high meaning and value. The Cintoko Keris is a symbol of the greatness and power of good work created the universe. From a Keris weight is a small part of the power of good. In it can change the weather and have a big influence of the life of mankind. Then what about the power of good, the most powerful? Of course, it will be even more impressive and horrendous, but we are only human beings who will not know how great good power is. Number 1 and number 2, every time it enter the month of Muharram or the month of Surah, it has become a tradition for Muslims to perform prayer challenge the beginning and of the year prayer. The prayer is carried out to revitalize the level of faith and so that sins that have been committed during the past year can be forgiven and open the new year with better activities. Number 3. Dismissal. The release of the Luar Tomb of Sunan Kudus was only carried out by certain people or undoubtedly key and community leader and symbolic opening was carried out the tomb of Sunan Kudus, then followed by the opening or releasing of Kudus. Lower outside the around the tomb of Sunan Kudus by administration and resident present and chancellery had. Number 4. Munadaroh Missile Dunia. The series of open lower even after the opening of lower, namely Munadaroh Missile Dunia, is a form of forum to learn and deepen religious knowledge while is attended by the public and the kiai. Number 5. Khataman and Al-Quran bil Ghaib. Khataman Al-Quran bil Ghaib, and current activity Al-Quran without text by Kafid. The meaning and value extracted from the vocabulary as one of the cultures of the Kudus community becomes meaningless if it is not implemented in everyday life. Muria Kudus University, as a university in Kudus that was born and inspired by the figure of Sunan Kudus and Sunan Muria. The purpose of this series is to find out the meaning and values in vocabulary Sunan Kudus and to design a model for implementing the meaning and value in vocabulary Kudus to realize the vision of the cultural campus. The results showed that vocabulary was held to commemorate the Haul of Sunan Kudus. Haul is a ceremony to commemorate the death of the solar of figure whose contribute open the word Kudus Sunan contain meaning and symbol of noble value and high education value, namely to tolerance to other, mutual help and respect, learning and greeting, as giving alarm, always getting close to God, able to avoid noble character and getting. Thank you for listening my authors. We have series be beneficial for all of us.